Hello, my name is Marianne Howland, and I am a partner at Duffee and Eitzen. We are a family law firm located in Uptown Dallas. And I'd like to talk to you today about possession schedules and distance learning and the delay in start dates for many school districts. First, I'd like to talk about the delay in start dates. Several school districts have made the decision to delay their first day of school, and what has resulted is a confusion about whether parties should follow the originally released school schedule or follow the newly released school schedule that's been approved after this health pandemic came about. So the issue is, are non-custodial parents supposed to be following the original school schedule, and are they missing out on Thursday possession if they don't follow the original school schedule, if they choose to follow the new school schedule? First, let me tell you that you must follow the new school schedule. There's no way around it. There's no exception to the new school schedule. Even the most recent Texas Supreme Court order only makes that exception if the schools were closed or under a shelter-in-place order or another order that was restricting movement. None of our schools are under those orders right now. There's no order restricting movement or a shelter-in-place order. So you must follow the new school schedule. But the good news is most schools who have delayed the start date have also delayed the end date. So they're merely pushing the school year up by 2 or 3 weeks, which means that non-custodial parents don't lose any of their Thursday possession usually. So if you look at the new school schedule, you'll see most of them have pushed out the end dates and giving you the Thursday possession that you may have been entitled to with the old school schedule. It's just pushing it out. So everybody needs to understand that they must follow the new school schedule. That's the one that's been released and approved by the school boards. And check your own possession schedule to make sure that you are following the summer possession as ordered, and then the school term possession as ordered when school starts. The second issue is that many parents are opting to use the distance learning option that many schools are offering. So this could cause some confusion about where whose house the distance learning takes place at. Does it take place at custodial parents' house or non-custodial parents' house? And I'm here to clarify that for you. If you look at your possession schedule, a non-custodial parent who has expanded standard possession, typically their possession on Thursdays ends Friday morning when school starts. So that means that as a non-custodial parent, you would need to make the children available for pickup from the custodial parent. And of course, look at your order to make sure that the pickups and drop-offs, who does what, you must follow that. Don't follow what I'm saying if your order is different. Always follow your order. But typically, the non-custodial parent will make the children available for pickup from the custodial parent at whatever time school starts. So 7:45 if you're in DISD elementary school. That's just an example. It gets a little trickier because if the non-custodial parent has that first, third, and fifth Friday, then the custodial parent picks the child up from the non-custodial parent Friday morning, and then the non-custodial parent goes and picks the child up at the end of the school day on Friday, on the first, third, and fifth Friday to exercise their weekend possession. And then, of course, the possession typically ends Monday morning when school starts. So in essence, almost all of the distance learning, if not all of it, is taking place at the custodial parent's school. So an easier way to look at it would be to think that the custodial parent is really the school. So you're picking up, dropping off at the custodial parent's house as if it were school time. So that's how you should look at it. And of course, consult your order to make sure that there's not any caveats or differences from an expanded standard order, and always follow the order language in your order. But I hope that that clarifies some things for you so that you understand that if we're treating distance learning as if it were a school, then the custodial parent's house really replaces the school for the distance learning. If you guys have any questions about any of the things that I've talked about today, you can email me at marianne@d-elaw.com. That's marianne@d-elaw.com. You can always give us a call and check our website. We've got blog entries there about the possession schedule and any other things that you might have questions about. Thank you.